Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually, one of my viewers asked me this query, like in his Excel file, this data is getting some error. And which is right, because the data sometimes gives you error and it doesn't work, for such days. Like if you have any number more than 12, does not work, whether you consider it DD, MMYY. So if you look at only this pattern where you have the data more than 12, it gives you an error. So let's see in my previous recording, what did I tell you that? So if you use text formula, okay, and then select it, and then you have to define the format. Mention 00 and then front slash backslash again 0 and then this front slash backslash 4 times 0. If you look at this, it will give you an error because I'm in Office 365 version, the most updated, and you are getting this output, which is actually coming correct. But now if you use date value function, okay, date value function, so it will throw an error and see that we are getting this scenario. So, this is actually weird, but other dates are perfect. Control Shift hash. So this is the formula or the hack which we were using earlier, but now I tell you another way. As you can see, this is the format you have, and somewhere you see that in the beginning, 0 is removed. Like it's called 7th of August 2019 or 3rd of September 2014. This is how the data has to be, interpreted. So how can you fix it, guys? It's very simple. First, you can use text function, and then you can mention 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 8 digits. Once you do it, and now the job is super easy. Here you can extract your year and month and, guys, day. So how can you do it? Year. So you can extract year by using write function, 4-digit, and see that your year is extracted. Now month, you can use mid function, guys. Select this. Your month starts at 3rd position, and 2 characters you can mention your month. What is day? It's very simple. Left function you can use from, from this, because we are using, see now the formula we are using. In that formula, what are we using? Say again. By mistake, we have used A2, but it should be C2, guys. So, because this is how, otherwise it will not work. And there also you can mention your C2. And day also you can mention left function, because this is the modified text. C column, the beginning 2-digit you can extract. And see that the output is absolutely correct. This is one of other solutions. And then you can easily make out, you can find out with date function, year and month and day. This is how you can do it. Now, what if I tell you, now you see that Control Shift has, it's matching, guys. Can you see? Okay, some issue is there, year, month, day. What is D2? Year, and E2 is my month, and F2 is my day. How is this possible? It's correct only. Okay, it's correct. But why this is not working? Because we should mention it 12th of January. Now see that this entire thing is not working. This is disturbed. It's actually called 1st of December, but this is actually 12th of January or 11th of November. If you revisit my previous recording, the data was coming different. Correct? Date value function, text we are using, and see that this is coming. Now I show you different output. If I copy this, okay, and I go to my Excel file and see that this is how the output looks like. If I just paste my value, okay, 1 minute. I paste from this. I paste from there. Let's see whether the output is same or not. Yeah, 12th of January. Now see, I'm getting this out. Look at the formula. The same formula I'm using, date, value, and text. But when you're using this in online version, let me go to news. Here you see some issue. Okay, and see that this is the data you have. If I use again text function, select this comma 00 00 I'm getting that. So you have to be very careful because this is the formula date value. Date value function you have to use. And now see what answer I'm getting. Control Shift hash. Now you see the problem. So, the challenge is that you have to be very careful while working on such data because this is the online version, which is not letting you get the right output. So you have to be very careful. This hack is not working on online X, but if you use the same formula, it will work in your professional version or Office 365 version. But this online version, you are getting this error. But now if you come back to this, better you use this formula. Now the challenge is that why are we making it 8 format? Can't we do it without 8 format? Yes, we can do that. Let me show you. So first you can extract year. Okay, and super easy, right function. Year you can extract. Year is constant, last 4 digit is called year, guys. Year has come out. Agree? Let me make the font bigger. Hope all of you are not straining your eyes to look at my screen. Okay, hope the font is correct now. All right. So year has come out. All right. Now, after year has come out, so you have to find out the leftover. What is my leftover? You can use, guys, left formula and total length of this minus 4. The year has been extracted or year has been removed. Okay, from this leftover, now you can mention the month name. So again, from right formula, last 2 digit is called my month. Month has been extracted, right? And this is the formula you have. Control C. Now, guys, day. How can you find out day? So it's very simple. From left, now you have to remove last 2 digit. Total length of this minus 2 and see that, guys, this is my day. So without even making the uniform format, we still, get successful to extract the data. So you can hide that. Okay, you can hide this column and simply you can use date formula. Okay. And you can extract year, month, and guys, day. And see that your answer is coming. So without using that format, we are getting this Control Shift hash. It is working. So 12th of January, 15th January, 11th November. So I believe this format is better, or maybe this format is better. Rather using this hack, this will work or it will get you different output because you have to double check your output. Somewhere there is no shortcut to achieve something. You have to go through that scenarios, exceptions, then you will get the right output. See, now you see that whether this is matching or not with this output, simply right click and paste as value. And how can you validate, guys? It's very simple. You can simply equal to this. Everything will be true, then you will have the right answer. Now see that 11th November, 1st December. Can you see this? 1st December and 7th. Why this is 1st of October? We have to see that. Or maybe the data is changed. So how many false are there? So many false are there. So let's see first off. So I'm going back to my data. This. Okay, this data might be different. 3rd of August. This data is different. Now see month. Month cannot be 2 digit. This is the problem. Right? Why? Because we are taking A2. Okay, we should not take A2. This is a mistake we have taken. So we have to take C2 actually, because that is my modified text, A2. Okay, that was the error we were getting. So that's what I've told you guys. Be careful. Now the formula is fixed. See, now we have nothing to do with this A column because the data you have in C column, you formatted the constant 8 digits. If you look at this data, beginning 0 is removed. And by using this format, beginning 0 is done. And that's the formula, guys, you have to use. So everything is C2, C2. Perfect. And this is the right output. And now you can validate back equal to paste. Yes. So this is all matching, guys. So that mistake we have done because we generally take data from A2, but that is the modified data. Now this data has to be considered to extract year, month, day, and see that, guys, it is working. I hope you found this useful, guys. For more such recordings and videos, share, subscribe, and love my channel. Thank you so much.